Hi friends, welcome to WP Themes channel. If you are looking for a minimal and clean design WooCommerce responsive theme, then this video is for you. I am happy to record this video as I got a wonderful theme called Flaton. It is the best WordPress online store theme and it has 4 home pages to choose with, and there are internal pages as well. So if you have decided to make a minimal design WooCommerce website for digital store, this theme is going to be a good catch for you. I'll show you some 2 or 3 demos as well. In this video we are going to install the Flaton WordPress theme, and we will also import the demo content and see the theme options and customization option. So the clean look, and you can see it is just focusing on the product display. Digital products are here, and I'll show you the single product page as well. And this is home 2, the second demo website. All been aesthetically designed and being a very clear and to the point look. And this is the third one. This is in boxed layout. And this is the single product listing page, which has a traditional and clear design, and shopping cart is here. Menus are simple, and search option is also given in all the demos. Let us begin the installation of Flaton theme. I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which 2021 WordPress theme is installed, and I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have documentation, licensing, sample data, slider sample, theme, and the different updates of Flaton theme. And this is the main theme file, the latest version. So for installing the theme, we need to go in the theme section of WordPress, add new, upload theme, choose file. Here you need to choose the Flaton.zip file laying under the Flaton theme folder. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same to the WP content themes folder, and in this directory you can upload the same file. I am doing the same. It will save some time, and the theme size is very low and it is lightweight theme. It got uploaded in seconds, and once the progress bar turns into green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Flaton WooCommerce folder, in which we got all the theme components, the folders and files. Now we can delete the zip one, it is just consuming the server space. Both activities are same of uploading theme. Either you can upload directly at your server, that is in WP content themes folder, and either you can choose to upload from WordPress interface. So you have to do only one, don't get confused. Come to the theme section of WordPress again, and now we have Flaton WooCommerce theme as another theme option. Let us check the detail. This is Flaton WooCommerce version 1.6.4. It is by Road Themes. The theme was developed by Road Themes, as I said, and it was developed in 2016, and regular updates for this theme is also being done. So now we can activate it. Upon activation, we got an alert to install necessary set of plugins, and this theme uses Redux framework, which is a wonderful framework for WordPress theme development, website development, and this theme uses the other plugins as well. So I'll show you the list of plugins. These are the list of plugins required. Some of the plugins are required, and this theme uses Visual Composer as page builder, and this 1 2 3 4 5 plugins are required, and rest are recommended. Either you can choose to install, and since we are creating a e-commerce website, WooCommerce is also a necessary plugin, and associates can be installed if you need it. And I'm going to install all the plugins since I have to show all the features of the theme. I'm installing all the plugins in one go. If you are not confident about your server capacity, don't install the plugin in one go, just install plugins one by one. And if you are taking the hosting package from WP themes, you are going to get the same capacity server, so rest assured. And all plugins has been installed now. Now we can activate all. All plugins has been activated now. So themes and plugins has been installed. Now we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and plugin. This is the basic look of Flaton theme, and it is of course without any demo content. This is why it is looking like this, and at this stage we definitely need to import demo content to make a website like a demo website, so that we may further go for the content updation. And I'm looking for the demo content import options now, and it is laying here under theme options. The demo importer is here. I will show you the theme options as well. First let us complete the installation. And the demo importer is showing one option of digital, and we can simply click on import demo, and the demo import process has started, and it will definitely take some time because it is going to download media files and other necessary files as well. You have to be here and don't try to leave or refresh this page until it gets complete. Just wait, and the import button will turn into imported button once the demo import gets complete. And this is the resultant website, and it is really wonderful. and the theme got installed smoothly without any trouble. All the demo content came here, and now we have a ready website to put the original content. The layout is same as we seen in the demo website. Now we have on our own website, so you can simply start putting the products, and this is the product listing view, and I'll show you the other pages as well what we got in the demo. So this is the main home page, and the menu is not here. I'll assign the menu first. Let me check whether menus are here or not. So menu is here, we just need to assign. It is here only. I don't know why it is not showing up. Category, top menu, and all. So there are multiple menus in fact. So I'm just assigning this one. And the menu should be there, but it is not coming up. The rest things are fine. Search is working here. All parts of this theme are working fine except the menu, and I'll definitely find the reason why menu is not being viewed here, and write the solution in the description of this video. I'm not getting right now, but I'll surely update this in the description with the solution, so don't worry, and rest things are fine in this theme. And now I'll show you the theme options of Flaton theme. These are the theme options. This is general, colors, you can handle the colors, header, this is the header, and a sticky header, top bar, menu, vertical menu, footer, fonts, layout, sidebar, portfolio, product, blog, testimonials 404, custom CSS, less compiler, and theme information and demo importer. Demo importer we have already used. So these are the options to handle the complete website, and these are enough options, I believe. And let us check what additional we got in the WordPress installation along with this. The rest of things are seems to be common. and theme options we have already explored. Now I'll show you how to edit any page. So this theme uses WP Bakery page builder. You can edit the contents simply using this page builder, and I'll show you the interface just to make familiar. Front-end editor loads bit slow, so I will rather advise you to use the backend editor of Visual Composer, and I will take you to the both screen view. And this is the front end editor view, and you can simply click on the pencil icon, whatever you want to edit, and just put the content what you want to put actually. And it is simple and no additional knowledge is required for editing these contents. So just click on pencil icon and put your own content, and this will work fine. And this I'm showing you the backend editor as well, through which you can easily add or remove the sections of page. And this is the backend editor. It looks more simple, and you can simply add or remove sections using this interface, and it is easy. Even a non-technical person can do this simply, so no need to have any designing skill, and it is fine. So we have completed the installation of Flaton theme in this video, and also imported the demo and seen the theme options. And if you have some questions about this theme, you can definitely write in the comment box of this video, and I'm also going to give the link of my website where you can get this theme along with the hosting plans if you need. And I assume you have subscribed this channel. If not, just ring the bell and subscribe the channel. I'm going to bring wonderful themes, plugins and utilities for you. Thanks for watching.